Well, it's Lexmark's plumbing service. The sink, as you can tell, is, shall we say, wonky. This has been going for like 3-4 years, probably more than that, yeah. And I had mentioned, I'll never find the video, but I had mentioned that there was going to be a video on fixing it. And the sink is all fucked up. I mean, it still works as a sink, but if you look, see that? It shouldn't do that kind. And there'll be a fix-it video on that. So here it is, many years later. I have 2 different size nuts, but hopefully at least one of them will work, if not both. And that will make the sink not jiggly anymore. Unfortunately for this sink, you have to disconnect the water lines. So we have shut the water to the house because, of course, the hot valve here just didn't want to. It turned, but it didn't shut. But that's fine. That's I never trust the valves on the actual items anyway. This is the old ring, and or at least one of them. There's the other piece of it in there. So obviously that broke. And we're going to take the water lines off and hopefully cause a flood when we're done. So all that in the middle of this, and there's no drain, so we can't find anything out or something. Great. So let's see what happens. So the problem is with the sprayer hose, when you go to pull it up, it gets snagged on the valve. Who the fuck thought that was a good idea? It has to go behind the pipe. That way it won't snag. Brilliant. So we're going to fix that too. That's been a problem for 11 years now. Skanky. Nice. So I think we have to remove the supply hoses now. And then we can try to run those nuts up and see if they'll work. So we're removing the supply hoses. We have an open drain where everything can fall through. And now we'll see if the nut is going to fit. It does. Well, that's a good thing. And we'll see if this one does. No. Damn it.
This one's too big.
Damn it. No. Damn. Fuck. Thought it was the same size. Well, that's no good. And then there were 2. Oh, that didn't sound good. So now we're taking off the other line, and we're going to fix this fucking thing once and for all. Now, a lot of people are going to say, Jay, why are you fixing a shitty old faucet where the paint's chipped everywhere and it's a piece of shit, and just get a whole new faucet? And that's because the new ones suck. That's why. The new ones are even worse. So it's better not to. So now we've taken the sprayer hose off so we can route that properly. I'm going to slam this bitch back together. The faucet's back. Oh, an arm. And then we're going to put the supply lines back. See? That's why you have to remove your garbage disposal to fix your faucet. So that was good. I cleaned the schmutz out of there. That's what all the junk in the sink is. And that's good. And we have the hose rerouted for the sprayer. So now that won't be a problem either. So I love that kind. And then we get the water supply hooked back up and hope it leaks. The test. So the silent test was successful, and the faucet no longer flops around. The water was spraying abnormally because we took the aerator out to avoid it clogging itself. And there's some shite in there, if you can see, but we'll figure that out later. So the faucet is fixed.